How you doing? My name is Dick Diggler, and welcome to another episode of Naughty Nature. Come along with me as I travel across the globe in search of nature's dirty little habits.
Cut! Dick, what are you doing?
What?
What's with the accent? That's not your real voice.
What are you talking about? This is my real voice.
No, it's
I've
not.
always sounded like this.
No, you don't. Quit being disrespectful to whoever.
I'm not being disrespectful to anyone.
What
In
are you
fact,
talking
you're
about?
being disrespectful to me. Alright? I want to go home. I want to have my bottle of scotch. And I want to get a little bit of loving with my wife. Okay? So let's get this done.
Yes, let's get this done.
Shall we?
Without the accent.
You know what?
Ooh la la.
Gary. Alright? Is this what you want?
Yes.
Is this what you want?
Yes.
Fine. This is what you're gonna get.
Good.
Let's just get this done already so I
Let's.
can go home.
Please.
Jesus.
Action.
Hi. My name is Dick Diggler, and welcome to another episode of This Really F***ing Sucks.
Dick!
I don't know exactly how this is going to turn out, but let's get it started. Alright, let's get this party started. Let's get it started. Look, this is how I talk, alright? I don't know, but it sounds genuine, right? So what do you do? My name is the most beautiful man. That's not my name. You know what? I think things are starting to look up. I feel very, very good about this. I can honestly say I am well respected and people love me and I'm gonna get a lot of...
Ooh la la.
Said it's not quite there yet, but guess what? I'm doing a great job. Oh,
Rocky Dingo.
getting better, better. It's getting better, better. I can't do it any better, better. Let's just get it. All right, all right. I'm not having fun. Narrowing it down, narrowing it down, I'm narrowing it down. I'm narrowing it down. You know what? I think I'm burnt out. Alright? I want to be done. I am so done. So done. So done. My name is Dick Diggler. That's what it is. Do you like it? Do you like it? Because I like it. And I like you. You want to get together later? Come back to my hotel. A little bit of bubbly. A little bit of cheese. I like a little weird.